Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can check the site permissions you have given to specific websites and pages in the Comet AI web browser. Like for example, the permission to use connected devices like microphones, headsets, play sound, cookie settings, etc, etc. So let us dive into this and show you where you can find these site permissions here on Comet. So what you want to do is launch the Comet AI web browser and navigate to your browser settings through that arrow down icon in the top right corner and through this option here. Inside your browser settings, here to the left guys, select privacy and security, and here to the right guys, what you want to do is navigate to the third-party cookies if you'd like to check these, or to site settings if you'd like to check other options, like for example permissions for the camera as previously mentioned, the microphone, notifications, automatic downloads, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, that list is pretty long. Here you may enable or disable JavaScript and again third-party cookies, so you can actually manage these third-party cookies through that menu here inside your privacy and security menu, as well as through the site settings at the bottom here. So click into it. And yeah, that's basically it. But you got also other settings like the sound settings, intrusive ads, PDF documents, and so on and so forth, guys. So simply go through the site settings and permissions and yeah, set rules either generally for the entire browser or add specific websites to the customized behaviors here if you'd like to give them exceptional permissions, for instance, to access the camera or microphone and other devices and features. So guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.